Automatic transmissions are amazing. You press the gas and the car moves. You don't need to think about changing gears. The car does it for you. This makes driving easier and smoother. But how do these transmissions work? Imagine a box full of clever gears. These gears connect to your engine and wheels. By shifting between different gears, the transmission controls the power going to the wheels. This means you get smooth acceleration from a stop. It also means you can cruise at highway speeds without the engine working too hard. Automatic transmissions have been around for many years. They have become very sophisticated. But the basic idea is simple: to make driving easier and more efficient. Let's look inside an automatic transmission. Two key components are the torque converter and the planetary gear set. The torque converter is a fascinating device. It connects directly to the engine. Think of it like two fans facing each other. One fan is spinning and its air makes the other fan spin too. That's similar to how the torque converter transmits power from the engine to the transmission using fluid, not air. Next, we have the planetary gear set. This is where the magic of gear changing happens. Imagine a set of gears arranged in circles like a miniature solar system. Different gears rotate at different speeds. By engaging different gears within this set, the transmission smoothly changes the gear ratio. These are just two of the key players inside your automatic transmission. Working together, they ensure you have a smooth and powerful driving experience. Now, let's see how these components work together. When you start your car, the engine spins the torque converter. Fluid inside the converter transmits this spinning power to the transmission. The planetary gear set is now ready to go. As you press the gas pedal, the Transmission Control Unit, or TCU, tells the transmission which gear to select. The TCU is like the brain of the transmission. It constantly monitors factors like vehicle speed and engine load. Using this data, it triggers hydraulic actuators within the transmission. These actuators move clutches and bands, engaging different gears within the planetary gear set. As you accelerate, the transmission seamlessly shifts to higher gears. This allows the engine to operate at its most efficient speed. When you slow down, the process reverses, and the transmission downshifts to lower gears. Automatic transmissions offer several advantages. Firstly, they provide ease of use. You can simply put the car in drive and go. This is especially helpful in stop-and-go traffic. Secondly, modern automatic transmissions are very efficient. They can often achieve better fuel economy than manual transmissions. This is due in part to sophisticated electronic controls and advanced gear designs. Finally, automatic transmissions contribute to a smoother driving experience. They eliminate the need for manual clutch operation and gear changes, resulting in a more comfortable and less tiring journey. In conclusion, automatic transmissions have revolutionized driving. They provide a convenient, efficient, and enjoyable experience for drivers of all skill levels. Understanding the basic components and their interaction provides insight into the magic happening beneath the hood of your car.